Hello and good day to everyone. My name is Ejiofor Emmanuel and I'm a digital marketer here at Maduski Power Resources. Maduski Power Resources is an indigenous electrical firm known for the sales of all electrical products used in the electrification of buildings, electric power transmission and distribution of electricity. We sell and supply both low, medium and high voltage electrical products. Maduski Power Resources also offers automation and control technologies and applications in Nigeria that helps the industry customers to improve operating safety, reliability and efficiency. But today, I'm here to talk about one of our newly added low voltage electrical products. The name of the brand is PY Copper Nigerian Cable. Now, PY Copper Nigerian Cable, from the name, is an indigenous electrical cable manufacturing company, but the brand of the cable is known as PY Copper. PY Copper is an indigenous brand in Nigeria and it meets all electrical standards for cable making, both local and international. PY Copper Nigerian Cable has MANCAP certification and it is SON approved. PY Copper Nigerian Cable has a complete standard wire gauge and it comes in length of 100 meters. It has different configuration and sizes, which are as follows: single or conduit cable, surface or flat cable, flexible cable, aluminum service cable and reclean aluminum service cable. PY Copper single conduit cable comes in configuration of single solid copper conductor for 1 mm square up to 2.5 mm square. 4 mm square and 6 mm square respectively comes in two different configurations, which are single solid copper conductor and 7-stranded copper conductor. 10 mm square up to 25 mm square comes in 7-stranded copper conductor. PY Copper Nigerian single conduit cable are made from 1 mm square to 35 mm square. PY Copper Nigerian Cable also produces surface or flat cable. This type of cable is used for house wiring, that is domestic wiring, and it is mounted on the surface of the wall, thus the name surface wiring. Cables are manufactured in two different grades, namely 230/400 volts and 650/1100 volts grades. By grading means the working voltage of the cable. The 230/400 volts grade cables are used for domestic power wiring installation, and 600 volts/1100 volt grade cables are used for industrial power wiring. PY Copper surface cable configuration are as follows: twin without earth continuity. The cables manufactured under this configuration have these following sizes: 1 mm square to 4 mm square, and these sizes fall under 230/400 volt grade used for domestic power wiring installation. Twin with earth continuity. The cables manufactured under this configuration are of these following sizes: 1 mm square to 4 mm square, and this sizes falls under 230/400 volt grade. And the third cable type under surface or flat cable configuration is 3-core. The 3-core cables manufactured under this configuration are also of 1 mm square to 4 mm square in cross-sectional area and thus used for domestic power wiring installation. For its single conduit cable counterparts, 1 mm square up to 10 mm square are of 230/400 volt grade and thus used for domestic power wiring installation, while 16 mm square up to 35 mm square are of 650/1100 volt grade and thus used for industrial power wiring. PY Copper Nigerian Cable also produces flexible cable in these following configuration and sizes: single core TRS. Now TRS stands for tough rubber sheeted flexible cable. The cable manufactured under this configuration is of sizes of 1.5 mm square only at the moment. 2-core or double core TRS flexible cable. The cables manufactured under this configuration have these following sizes: 0.5 mm square big and small, 1 mm square, 1.5 mm square, at the moment. 3-core TRS flexible cable. The cables manufactured under this configuration have these following sizes: 1 mm square, 1.5 mm square, 2.5 mm square, 4 mm square at the moment. 4-core TRS flexible cable. The cables manufactured under this configuration have these following sizes: 1 mm square, 1.5 mm square, 2.5 mm square, 4 mm square, 6 mm square, and 10 mm square at the moment. Note, all these flexible cables of different configuration and sizes are used for domestic power wiring installation because of their voltage grade is 230/400 volts. PY copper Nigerian cable also produces aluminum service cables. This cable is made up of aluminum as its conductor and polyvinyl chloride, PVC in short, as its insulation. The sizes are as follows: 16 mm square, 25 mm square, 35 mm square, and it is used for supplying electricity from the electric pole to the meter board. It has a voltage grade of 230/400 volts. The last category of cable produced by PY Copper Nigerian Cable is reclaimed aluminum cable, otherwise known as area cable. The cable, the conductor rather, is aluminum. Its construction is of 4 core bundled up together, and its sizes varies from 10 mm square, 16 mm square, 25 mm square, 35 mm square, 50 mm square, 70 mm square, and 95 mm square respectively. The length per a coil drum is 1000 meter. It has a voltage grade of 600/1000 volts. Thus, it is used for industrial power wiring. Our office is located at C Touch Plaza beside Zenith Bank along St. Patrick Road, Alaba International Market, Lagos. So do well to patronize us whenever you need to make purchase of electrical cables for the electrification of your project. Thank you and God bless.
More music on trendybeats.com. More music on trendybeats.com.